What's up, guys? It's your boy Miguel, aka Ask Your Boy Dez, and today we're gonna do a car wash for my SUBIE. It is much needed. I thought the rain would save me, but you know, it's a total misconception. It never gets all that dirt and dust off anyways. You know, I feel like this is a good way to introduce you guys to my car so you can see my SUBIE and check her out. First things first, let's go ahead and give this thing a wash, and then we'll give you a better cinematic slow-mo video of my car. Oh man, you guys see that? Look at that view. You know what? I don't have my drone, I don't have my GoPro, I don't have a second driver, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna ride that. We're gonna ride that. I'm gonna make sure we get there either tomorrow or next week, and it'll be in the video after this car wash video. So let's go ahead and get this started. Update, they didn't have enough change in the 7-Eleven. It says 3 minutes, so we're gonna have to speed wash this thing. Let's get to it. I guess I need another $1. Well, it looks like I have to use my credit card. Fingers crossed. Oh my gosh! Now this thing's not working. What the? Let's see if Domino's has changed. All right, well, shout out to Domino's. They saved me. We got a pretty cool quarter collection going on here. I've never seen this one. There's also a Frederick Douglass. This quarter right here looks pretty dope. And luckily for us, they also have towels over there for like 75 cents. So we're gonna go ahead and cop that too. Oh shoot, here we go, here we go. You might need a little more than just a rinse. We are running out of time. There's no way I ran out of time already. Oh, shoot. Ah! Guys, we ran out of time. This is a problem. We're like halfway through our car wash. I can never get it done on time. I don't even know if I was recording that entire time. So guys, looks like ran out of time again, but I think I got everything I needed to get. So we're gonna go ahead, get us our little microfiber cloth, because I keep forgetting to put them in my car. Dry her off real quick, and then, yeah, we'll talk about it. Bro, what the fuck? So I just keep taking the hits today, guys, so hopefully there's something in my trunk. Nope, nope, nope. Well, hopefully we can get home and wipe her off. But first, let's get a super sick slow-mo shot of her rolling out, even though she's still wet. Hopefully I don't get Rona from it. Give myself a little hand sanitizer squirt. Well, it looks like I worked up a sweat, so yeah, we're gonna drive home and we're gonna dry her off. Should I name her Sarah? Sarah the SUBIE? I don't know. I think Scarlet's too much. This camera's crazy. You see the water droplets on it? But screw it. We're going up that mountain. That one right there. If I can find a way to get up that mountain. Let's go see if we can. All right, guys, well, we could not find the top of that hill. I think it was blocked off to the public, but we'll find a dope one. We'll find one soon. But until then, that's it for this video. I'll do a little video tour for a part 2 of like my car and introducing it and everything like that. But I hope you guys like this video. I think we're gonna name her Sarah. Leave some comments down below and tell me what I should name my SUBIE. It's your boy Miguel, aka Ask Your Boy Dez. Check out my other socials and follow my other YouTube channels, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, deuces, bye. Boop.